Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to the endorsement in this video, Dairy Queen 85-cent Pumpkin Pie Blizzard review, the endorsement. This is one of the new ones that he uploaded yesterday, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Alright, hi. I'm here to tell you something, show you something, and maybe take a bite. That is a small blizzard. It is a pumpkin pie blizzard, one of my favorites, and they're offering them a small on the app for 85 cents. 85-cent small blizzard at Dairy Queen for a certain amount of time. I didn't look into that because I'm driving by a Dairy Queen. I'm like, oh, I could go for a little treat, as well as tell the people about this 85-cent deal. It worked with tax, 91 cents out the door from the app. That is taking a while to focus. Cue the intro.
Hold on, everyone. I need a minute. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody.
What is up, everyone? It is the endorsement, and it is time for another review. This is where I try something and tell you if you should like it or not. I can be very persuasive. I said it all before the intro. So now they put the whipped cream on top, the pumpkin pie blizzard. There it is. 85 cents. Let's go. Pumpkin pie, double P personified. Got the chunks of the, the crust, chunks of crust in there. Graham cracker? Maybe. Yes, please. Did you know about this deal? There's some people out there that might not know about the deal, or they might know about the deal, and they're like, no, I'm not doing the app. Some people out there are anti-app, and I get it, but a deal like this, because I looked, this right here, without the deal, this blizzard was $5.49. 85 cents. I didn't look. Is there a limit? Can I get 10 a day? Can I just keep going back? I doubt it. Probably one time a day. I'll have to double check that. This is a really good blizzard pumpkin pie. I don't know if I did it last year. Can't remember the last time I had it. But for 85 cents, sign me up. And why haven't I been going every single day to DQ Grill and Chill and getting myself an 85-cent blizzard? I don't know. It tastes so much like a pumpkin pie.
Wow.
And I love pumpkin pie. And I'm happy that they put the whipped cream on top and the extra nutmeg. All right. So listen. This is what we're dealing with. 85-cent blizzards. I don't know how much longer we got. It might be, by the time I launch this, it might be over. Who the heck knows? I don't know. Write up the comments. Let me know when this ends. I'm filming this on, I don't know, 19th, 20th, 21st.
Whoa.
So good. All right. So listen, that's a public service announcement from me to you. You're welcome. Whew. All right. Rating? A rating on the deal, 100. Promised Land. 85-cent blizzard? Yes, sign me up. A rating on the actual blizzard, 91. It's one of the better ones. Comes correct with the flavor of pumpkin, and they put the whipped cream on there. It's just that the, I don't remember the pieces of the crust being as hard as they were.
Hold on, everyone. Let me take care of this notification. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody.
I expected them and hope for them to be a little bit softer. That's all I'm saying. So, all right, there you go. Another review in the books. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, please do not forget to check me out on Instagram and Twitter. That is social media, getting the word of my channel out to the masses. In closing, there you go. 85 cents. I said it all. Done. Under 5-minute video. You're welcome. And that's it. We'll see you soon with some more reviews. Bye.
Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up, and I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my main channel or my second channel or to the endorsements channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please everybody. And on my main channel, we are on the road to 8,000 subscribers. And on my second channel, we are on the road to 4,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlists. On both my main channel and my second channel, and give them a thumbs up. And share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 8,000 subscribers or more on my main channel and 4,000 subscribers or more on my second channel too, please everybody. I would really appreciate that too. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my main channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the 2 playlists that are on my main channel, and give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. I would really definitely appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my main channel as well. Also, please everybody, I would really definitely appreciate that too. And I know some notifications have popped up, but this video is almost over anyway, so I'll take care of them afterwards. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.